Hello people, the title of our project that we have developed is a temperature control unit. Our team consists of two members, that is myself, Rajanya Sarkar and Sparsh Rathore from Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering Department. The components that we have used are an Arduino Nano microcontroller, its shield, an L298N motor driver, and a SMPS for the power supply. We have also used two DC fans for heat dissipation and cold air distribution, a heat sink for removing the heat inside the chamber. Instead of a compressor, we have used a Peltier module for cooling, which does not produce any harmful gases and has a compact size. A DS18 B20 temperature sensor is used to monitor the temperature inside the unit. Therefore, the Peltier module will cool the temperature inside the unit and it will turn off automatically when the temperature drops below the preset temperature, and it will hold its temperature for more than 6 hours with proper insulation. The preset temperature can be changed according to the requirements. Here we have used on-off controller. It can be used for the transportation of medical supplies and food items for longer time and is also eco-friendly. Thank you.